keeping cuts clean to help them heal. NextCare, serious about healing from 3M.
Don't stop watching. I won't stop loving you.
The Laughing Cow cheese, now 3 more flavors to love. Mozzarella, chipotle, even blue cheese. Still only 35 calories per wedge. The Laughing Cow. Have you laughed today? You know,
Shirley, he really made a hole right here for you.
Putting into all that driving.
one stop is all you need.
So whether you're here for the taste or
Or for the month where you get some money in the bank.
stop shopping.
The cat is thinking that the yard's making that noise, and so every time you sneeze, it runs away from the yard.
Are making new Barilla Piccolini mini pasta that's rich in fiber. I love the mini pasta, and it has the fiber and whole grains they need. And everyone loves it. Eating well starts with Piccolini. Stop before you put on those new shoes. Stop. Use Bliss Stop, a new invisible, easy-to-use blister prevention spray. So start